Hi there. What are you researching? Hi Allison. I am researching the current applications of virtual worlds in education. Sounds interesting. So can you list some of the current applications of virtual worlds in education?
Virtual worlds are used in astronomy where students can learn about the solar system and how it works by physical engagement with the objects within.
They can move planets, see around stars and track the progress of a comet.
Scientific fields are integrating lectures with 3D models for teaching purposes. Example, in the field of forensic pathology, Second Life is being used to teach autopsy procedures. In virtual classrooms where professors are creating a meeting space for students to attend lectures with illustrations or 3D models. For practicing language skills where text and audio forms of language can be integrated to support learning. Virtual field trips are carried out in classrooms. For example, engineers can visit a chemical plant and see how they would address problems. Safety-focused lessons can be useful to see if students are ready to perform dangerous activities such as trauma and evacuation training. Some applications used in an educational environment are Second Life, EduSim, OpenCobalt and Yville. Thank you for enlightening me on some of the current applications of virtual worlds in education.
As dean of this university, it is my job to decide if virtual worlds should be used for educational purposes. I will now hear your arguments.
Virtual worlds allow geographically dispersed students to collaborate and interact.
But not all students have the financial means or opportunity to have access to a computer when not on campus.
Taking risks in a virtual world has less of a cost than taking a risk in the real world. This would encourage users to take the risk and actively participate, thereby allowing them to learn.
But think about the openness of a virtual world. Any response by a student to an educator or fellow student is publicly available for anyone to see. This may cause students a certain amount of unease.
Virtual worlds deliver a unique experience that cannot be provided in a real-world environment. It allows for trips inside vital organs, allowing students to experience firsthand how various organs function.
You have a valid point, but the prolonged use of computers may result in computer vision syndrome. This involves issues ranging from eyesight problems to discomfort of the eyes and is permanent in some cases.
How to create a successful and effective virtual world for teaching.
The key to efficacy of virtual worlds is interactivity rather than immersion. This simply means that students learn by exploring the environment by themselves.
Okay Jim, please log in and let's get started.
Sweet, let's go.
Ease of navigation through the world makes the user experience better and improves motivation to learn.
Cool, it's so easy to work in this environment.
Virtual worlds should be applied to create spaces that transcend safety or distance parameters, inspiring imagination and creative thinking. Teachers best serve as facilitators in the discovery process rather than problem solvers.
Okay Jim, now I want you to build anything you want, explore and use your imagination.
Okay, miss. Done, it's a bench.
The learning space should leverage a mix of content and activity to support all learners, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic.
Students should act as peer mentors, able to teach and collaborate with one another informally. Interactions between students can be where some of the best learning takes place.
Oh no, this rock is blocking the entrance to my home. Now I can't get out of this rain.
Hey Jim, what's wrong?
I don't know how to get rid of this rock.
I have this object, let me help. All done, I'll help you anytime you need.
Thank you so much.